Join Sunny Beach Life on a night out in June. We start with a bit of a party, some dancing, some music, some great food. We introduce you to some subscribers. Wow. Then we join the football crowd because it's the World Cup. We'll finish off meeting an very old face from Sunny Beach.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's great. Andrew's round here somewhere. Have you seen it? That's good.
What night is it? Friday?
No, is it? Yeah, it's Friday, yeah.
And Dobberden
Dobberden, everybody.
from a sunny beach.
Oh, and it is sunny now. Oh, I've got my fancy frock on, look.
Yeah, it's a very warm evening, so we have decided to start at the Trakia Garden Hotel.
Yeah, because it's the first opportunity we've got to come and say hello to everybody.
Yes, all the guests seem to know each other. They just come back year after year. It's got a fantastic garden restaurant as well. But if it gets hot the next couple of weeks, it's a great place to come, but it's very cool.
Oh, yeah, they've got some lovely gazebos you can sit under. It's lovely.
And lots of fantastic planting, and it gets you away from the busy road here with all the people, and it's much quieter.
Yeah, so we're going to go into Trakia Gardens, start our evening with a small beer, I think, because we have to pace ourselves.
And because Mark, one of the family here, is a football fan, they're trying to get some sleep because they are staying open when the late matches are on in America. So if you are struggling to get somewhere to watch a match, you can come to the Trakia Garden, have a really nice beer and have something really good to eat as well.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be nice to see Anastasia and Lena again, won't it?
Yeah, like old times. I love it here, it's really shaded.
Oh, the plants are gorgeous, aren't they?
And it's obvious going inside the bar, there's a football theme here. Some really big fans here of the beautiful game. And they're Scottish. What a night. But anyway, the gardens are gorgeous. They've been out busy pruning the roses. There's so many exotic plants here. It's just fantastic to sit in the garden, have a meal or have a drink. And there's lots of shaded areas you can sit in and relax, chill out when it's hot, which is going to be in the next month. It's going to be absolutely burning in Sunny Beach. And of course, treat yourself to a beer at a reasonable price as well. And if you're enjoying the video, Nitisni Butona, hit that like button. Really helps us get the video out to more people who are probably going to visit Sunny Beach in 2026. Thanks a lot.
Oh, Goldie! Oh, it's
Nice to see you.
So nice to see you.
Yeah,
It's always
I do.
nice at Azuro.
Start our season.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah.
We'll have a nice party night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's good boys. It's good signal.
Oh,
boys.
yeah, okay, yeah.
Very
Yeah.
cold to
Oh,
your
cold.
road.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
Well, we're back at the Azuro, one of our favourite places in Sunny Beach. But obviously tonight we've got a bit of a dance evening. We've got subscribers in already waiting for us. And quite a mixture because we've got some Scottish, some German and some English. Wow, so it's going to get really good night. We're going to be here quite late and there'll be a few drinks, I imagine. We're going to eat first and just mingle. Next time we've got one on, if you see it advertised on Facebook, do come along if you're on holiday. And apparently these Germans are regulars, and every year they turn up, put the costumes on and entertain people around them, have loads of fun.
Oh. This looks absolutely delicious. Chicken curry, because I'm on that curry quest, as you know. But look how nicely this is presented. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Can I tuck in now, Andrew, instead of just looking at it?
Before it gets cold, yeah. Tuck in. I've got pasta because I really need baby food because I got my teeth out, so can't chew anything. This looks nice though.
Well, that is absolutely delicious. I think I'm going to put that as my #1 curry at the moment. Oh, it's so creamy, again, very creamy, but the taste is amazing. Very delicious. Well, my chicken curry was absolutely delicious, and Andrew enjoyed his carbonara. So we always get a complimentary green. It's a digestive, good for the digestion. So, cheer Nostravi. That'll make your toes curl. And I've got another beer. So it's a fun night ahead. Well, what a fun evening we're all having in Azuro. Here's, what's your name?
Mick.
Here's Mick and Jean. And his lovely wife, Jean, from Halifax. And Andrew was chatting to him earlier because they had a pub in Peachborough where Andrew comes from. Which pub did you have, Peter?
The Lord Westwood. The Lord Westwood on Wicken Way.
Oh, I don't know it myself.
I was facing where Freeman's catalogue is. It's on the way out.
Oh, I don't think Freeman's catalogue's there nowadays, is
I
it?
don't think any of them's there nowadays, are they? They're all gone.
What about you, Jean? Are you having a good time on holiday?
Oh, yes, fantastic. Yeah,
Have you been in Azuro before?
several times. We always come, every time we come here, we always make sure we come in here.
Oh, that's great. It's a great place, isn't it, Azuro?
Oh, it is. Well, third time we've been. It's down to my friend Steve that I drink with in pub at Halifax, Feathers. And he told us, says, you want to try in there? And we started it about 4 years ago, didn't we? And we've come back ever since. And it's third visit this holiday.
Yeah. Oh, third visit this holiday.
In here, yeah.
Oh.
I like the goulash soup.
Oh, maybe Andrew could try that next time with his teeth. So, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. And now we've met Rico and Manuela from Germany. Have you been here before?
What before?
Have you been to Sunny Beach before?
Yes, 50 years ago.
Oh, 15 years ago. And are you enjoying it?
Yes, I love Bulgaria.
Oh, that's great. What about Rico?
I love Sunny Beach.
Oh, that's great. So take it from Rico and Manuela, they love Sunny Beach. Do you like Azuro?
Yes, we like it.
Oh, good. And you
And we like your videos.
oh, say that again.
We like your videos on YouTube.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yes.
That's great. So take it from Rico and Manuela from Germany, come to Sunny Beach, and they love.
Many greets from Germany and from Sunny Beach.
Oh, that's great. So come to Sunny Beach. You might meet Rico and Manuela. Ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.
And this is Ian. He is one of our top subscribers, now friend. Are you enjoying yourself, Ian?
As always, absolutely brilliant. Wonderful time. Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. You might remember Ian. He didn't like Paddy Trotter the pig.
That's forgettable, that is forgettable.
We'll forget about that. but his lovely wife Jeanette's just run off. She don't want to be on camera. So ciao for now.
Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.
Oh, and now we've moved on to, well, I would say the American table, because Kerry's from America and his lovely wife, Sagana, is actually Bulgarian. That's amazing. So, are you having a good time?
We're having a great time.
What about you, Sagana?
Wonderful time. I love it here.
Oh, especially being Bulgarian.
Absolutely.
What do you like about this bar, Azuro?
We're really enjoying the music. The drinks are great. We haven't tried the food, so hopefully next time we can try some food.
Oh, the food is lovely. Very good priced and home cooked. It's amazing.
I have to say, this is one of the best drinks I've had at Sunny Beach. Like some of the places, they're not as good. And I really like it. I love the atmosphere. I love the music. I love the people that work here. And obviously, we came to see you and we love the company. It's wonderful.
Oh, that's amazing. So take it from Sagana and Kerry, come to Azuro. You're guaranteed a lovely welcome.
Absolutely. We've had a great time.
So ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
What do I say? What do I say? That you won't get back to me. Yeah, she's walking back. Quando c'è Maria Dolores, sempre male amore. Quando c'è Maria Sorella, quando c'è Maria Dolores. Baila, 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 baila.
We've had a great night with the subscribers in this fantastic restaurant.
Azuro.
Yeah, great music tonight. We've got new guys, absolutely fantastic.
Oh, he played some great tunes.
Yeah, they'll be on the dance floor. If you do want someone to have a bit of fun and a bit of dancing, do come to Azuro.
Yeah, the ladies, Goldie and Tatiana, will really look after you.
Yeah, so we're going to make a move now because it's late. We're going to head back towards the apartment, see where else is open because the football is on tonight. It's World Cup. So most people are staying open till the early hours.
So it's late, but it maybe still be early for some people.
Yeah. So, I'm going to move on.
Let's carry on.
Zele,
Lekker nos.
lekker nos.
Thank you. Lekker.
Thank you. Bis morgen Abend. Thank you very much. See you again. Thank you for a wonderful photo.
Thank you. Thank you for my champagne.
Un besito para español.
Nastravi. Yeah.
Na zdravie.
Moving on again, we get to Jokers just up the road from the Azuro. And Scotland are playing, so it's absolutely full of Scottish fans tonight. And they are determined to have a really fun evening. This is the first year of Jokers, and Stuart was so happy because the bar is absolutely full every night. You have a job to get a seat. It's doing absolutely brilliant. There he is, controlling everything. He's really loving this. Coming along to Jokers, it's got to be the hottest bar in the southern part of Sunny Beach. We're meeting subscribers. As Susan walked in, there's a big cheer. There's loads of them sitting in here. Brilliant prices, brilliant bar staff. The partners here are all seasoned Sunny Beachers. They know how to do it right. Our final stop of the night is Spiders, one of our favourite bars, great prices, fantastic people run this. It's busy.
Undercover photograph.
Wave, look. He'll be on the...
I didn't see any flashes.
No.
I didn't see any
I
flashes.
think it's on. Who knows?
Hey, I didn't see that flashing. You want a flash?
No, that's done.
Oh, it's done.
It's on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah. So, that's brilliant.
I can't believe.
Oh, no, that's lovely. So, we'll see you again.
Do I expect to see myself on YouTube?
Yeah, you will. You'll see yourself at the end of this video on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Hey, Johnny.
Well, this is amazing, everybody. If you're a fan of the Glica that once was, a couple of years ago, you might remember...
Christmas, people! Hello, everybody, hello. Miss you all, please you all, but hey, what things like that happen.
So it's so nice. We're in Spiders now, ending our evening. It's been a bit of another squiffy night, and we've met Christmas. That is so amazing.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Miss you all, but what can I do? Nothing. Please, kiss to everybody. Love you, miss you, and kiss you. That's all.
So that is lovely. So everybody say ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao for now. Ciao, ciao for now. Ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao for now.
So that's ciao, ciao for now from everybody in Spiders.
Well, it's now 1:10 in the morning.
1:10? Oh my God.
1:10. We just called in Spiders for a quick half on the way home, and it's been a lot longer than we thought.
Oh, what a great evening we've had. We started at Trakia Gardens, Azuro party night, Jokers, finishing at Spiders. It's been brilliant, hasn't
It's still busy in here at 1:10. It's going to go on later. Obviously, quite a crowd. So we say ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye. Wow, what great fun we had at Azuro, the first party night of the season. It was brilliant, everybody. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos in the 2026 season. Thanks a lot.